Greetings everyone. So I have a couple products more I introduce a couple of the masses to those who don't know. I'm gonna make you know. So for all of the persons who always want to know how my food tastes so unique, I do my own blend in terms of powder spice. This is dehydrated spices, onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, rosemary, you name it. All the spices and herbs I would normally use, it's in this. I sell honey, but I'm go back to this spice. So I have a couple clients, they have hypertension. Doctor said them come off of salt. These are the perfect spice. It's a complete spice. It's in the category of like Mrs. Dash and you name it, all them top brands is this. Now, the thing behind it is this. All-purpose spices on the supermarket shelf, check the label and you will see one of the first two ingredients gonna be salt and sugar. The first ingredients in this, trust me, is not salt and sugar. So people, this is half pound in the bottle and this can go a far way, much further than your regular spice where you buy on the supermarket shelf. Trust me, I've used it for seasoning a whole heap of meat, whole heap of protein, whether vegan, fish, chicken, pork, you name it, it don't really matter what. You can use it for everything. Whether you want to do things on the grill, you want to do it in the oven, you want to do it as stew or curry, this works just the same. And you are able to add salt as you like. And for those who are hypertensive and want to reduce their salt content, use this. These are the perfect mix for it. Alright? Those who like pepper sauce, yeah, eat your food and you know they are work, you want to carry a buckle of pepper. But the pepper sauces that you have, them just blah or them tend to change up the food flavor. This good, this complement a whole heap of things. Not just jerk, but it complement fried chicken, roast chicken, you name it. A lot of things. It versatile. And this is a blend done by me as well. For those who need sweeteners, apart from the sugar, like the regular sugar, you have natural sugar or natural sweetener from the bees. Now this is all natural, no additives, no preservatives. Straight from the bees, we process it by extracting it from the honeycomb and also straining it so that we remove excess wax and honeycomb and you name it, bees and all of that stuff. This a bottle is 750 ml. It goes for $3,000 a bottle, $3,000 a bottle. Now on the market is like 3,500, 3,800, $4,000. You will get prices for. So this is 3,000 a bottle. If you need it delivered in town, it's like 500. If it's Spanish Town, 500. If it's Portmore, $300 for delivery. For pickup, basically you just pay for the bottle of honey. That's it. If you're going overseas, you can put a seal over this so that the cart don't get unraveled. Not that it tend to happen, but people want them extra security. Yeah, we can get it. So throughout the year it gets darker. Sometimes it's lighter than this. I can determine that. The fruit trees and any tree that is blossoming, that is what determine it. So if a lot of fruits are in season, it tends to be lighter. If a lot of fruit trees are not in season, then you will have like the blue maho, all of them. I can't name out all of them right now. And when those are available, then the honey tends to get darker. This, it's good. People love it. So if you need the spice in a smaller bottle, you can get in a smaller bottle. This is a larger bottle, half pound in this. And you can get even bigger than that. This will hold more than a pound. So these are new bottles that I just received. I just packaged this one. You have the spoon section and you have the shaking section. Where you just open and shake. So the thing up. One time I had a smaller bottle, like smaller than this. Small, tiny. It was just for samples and stuff. And the people love it. I started giving them in a bigger package, almost like a fried dumpling coming out. Yeah, I sell fried dumpling mix. You can use it for fried dumpling or festival, yeah. So the people love all of this, and I said, okay, I'm going to offer it to the market. And I started selling, and people just keep on coming. So I just letting y'all know, family, friends, you know, the thing up. Spices it there, right? So if you're overseas and thing, make we explore that, no? We go ship off a couple of them to you, know. We can ship it off on your pay feet and all of that. I mean, a lot of people have done it. I remember sending a couple packages when I had the packages, the Ziploc one, and you can seal it. That one I sent a couple packages to Canada and they loved it. Yeah. So people, it ready and it there. Out.